So check this out, a really quick 101 on the anatomy of a Shure IntelliMix Room Kit. Now for starters, IntelliMix Room Kit actually refers to 4 different bundles. You've got small, medium, large, and then you've even got a bundle for extra large or complex or reconfigurable room sizes. Each of them is certified from Microsoft Teams. Okay, these are Windows-based Microsoft Teams room solutions, and they each have a few core components that are common to all of them, and then they expand a little bit as the room size goes on. Now, at the heart of the solution, you've got a HD touch controller sitting at the center of your table. If you come on in and take a look at the ports at the back, you'll see we've got a Ethernet port for connectivity back to the main system, and there is a USB-C port right there as well for local wired content sharing. Now, to ensure high-quality, intelligent video, Shure has partnered with Huddly to bring the right size, right feature set camera to the appropriate bundle size. On those smaller spaces or huddle spaces, the Huddly IQ is present in that IMXRK30 bundle. For the medium and large spaces, we've got the Huddly L1 that ships with that package. This unlocks a number of intelligent video modes for you, has an Ethernet port at the back to connect back to that Windows-based compute at the center of the room that we'll talk about in just a second, and it ships with the wall or shelf mount to position the camera in whatever way works best for your particular room configuration. Now for those extra large, complex, reconfigurable types of spaces, the IMXRK80 ships with the Huddly Crew, which is 3 of the L1s all put together, already giving you the intelligent video modes we talked about, but unlocking even more intelligent switching between the different cameras for a more complex room setup. Now for intelligent audio in all the different IntelliMix Room Kits, there is either 1 or 2 MXA 902 ceiling mic array / loudspeakers. That's right, this is both your intelligent mic array and the loudspeaker reaching all corners, every space of any given room. If we flip to the underside, you will see the Ethernet port that will run the Ethernet cable back to your Windows-based compute system. Now, the 2 smaller bundles that are meant for your small and huddle spaces and your medium rooms, even some smaller large rooms, you'll have 1 MXA 902 because that is more than enough audio power for that space, intelligently weeding out all the different peripheral noise in the room that is not the voices that you need to focus in on. For the 2 larger bundles, those larger large rooms and the extra large reconfigurable spaces, the bundles ship with 2 MXA 902s. Now, at the heart and soul of every IntelliMix Room Kit is a device that is probably not going to be seen in most rooms. That would be the Windows-based compute. Aside from having a certified for Teams Rooms on Windows build, which has the Teams Rooms app, it's also running the Huddly software out the box to manage all those intelligent video modes we talked about. And this is where things get really cool. It's got the first of its kind IntelliMix software-based onboard DSP. Now, for those in the AV industry and beyond that know what a physical hardware-based DSP means, what it does, the configuration that it requires, and the advanced audio capabilities that it unlocks, having an automated software-based solution is mind-blowing. Whether you have 1 MXA 902 in the room or 2, you do not have to go in and determine which mic picks up where in the room. The mixing is automatic. Going beyond the IntelliMix Room Kits, at the core of every one of those is the IntelliMix Foundation System, which is a standalone solution bringing together the compute and the touch panel, allowing you to go beyond just MXA 902s. If you've got other Shure audio peripherals in a room that you want to extend ROI on, third-party Dante-connected audio devices that you would like to use in a new certified for Teams room solution, the onboard software-based IntelliMix DSP handles all of that connecting and mixing automatically. That's huge. That's a game changer. This takes enterprise-grade solution definition to the next level. So there you go, the anatomy of a Shure IntelliMix Room Kit and Shure's unique take on extensibility of intelligent audio and video in Windows-based room systems. Curious to hear your thoughts? Drop them in the comments below, and if you found this helpful, insightful, useful to your network, please share it wherever you socialize. Thanks for watching. We'll see you back here for the next device overview video.